How many type of fears are there in the market or in the society? Sorry.
Height phobia.
Height phobia.
Water phobia.
Death phobia.
Animal
Darkness phobia. Animal phobia. But you know, the most people have, and the most famous, or like the only phobia that most people have, that is actually the glossophobia, and that is the fear of public speaking. 75% is the ratio for the fear of public speaking. It's your first day in your college. You go there, you sit on your seat, and you will find it difficult that how should I start my conversation with the second person? The person who is sitting right next to me, how should I start my conversation? Let me ask you guys first, then what are the problems that you guys face if your teacher asks you to come and stand here and talk with your class? So what type of the problem people actually face when they have to deal with the public, they have to do the public speaking? Lack of confidence. What else?
Insufficient vocabulary.
Insufficient vocabulary. Very good. What else?
judgments of the listener. That's something.
Judgmental behavior. What else?
Fear of mistakes.
Fear of mistakes.
Negative criticism.
Negative feedback. What else? That's it. Okay. You know, you guys actually shared 4 problems with me. Lack of confidence, that was in your personality. Insufficient vocabulary, that was again in your personality. Judgmental behavior, about yourself. Fear of mistakes, you were talking about your mistake. Negative feedback that you will get from the people. But trust me, it is not about you. When you are standing in front of people, it's not about you anymore. You know, 90% of people are already expecting a positive speech from you. No matter they know you or they don't know you. They already have a positive behavior. It's you who think, I have all these problems. Everyone is different. No one is a good presenter. No one is a bad presenter. Everyone is a different presenter. The thing that you guys should remember, that whenever you want them to laugh, so they should. Whenever you want them to feel emotional, so they should. And whenever you want them to listen to you, so they should. So that is again, you know, another rule for the presentation, that you and your audience should be on the same page. Now, I'm going to tell you something about the introduction. You know, some people believe that it should always be a joke, and some people believe that it should always be a quotation. Some people believe that it should always be a question. There are 3 common, suggestions that people have for the introduction. Which one suits you more? Question.
Joke.
What else?
Joke.
Actually, 2 days before, I was in a class with Waji, and I guess Mohib was also there, and Bilal was also there. So I was telling them that there was a presenter who started his presentation with this sign, and I'm also going to tell you that what his presentation was actually. He started his presentation, he came on the stage, and he did like this. What? Okay, so everyone was actually looking at him like what he is actually going to do. Swag, there was another word. Okay. Okay. So everyone was looking at him, like what he actually wants to do. And after that, he put that cigarette into his pocket back. There was not lighter one. So he put that into his pocket back, and he took out a sneaker, and he started eating that in front of people. And people were laughing. So he said, no objection now? So people said no. And he said, 300% more people die because of diabetes than a cigarette. So you guys are accepting that I am eating a sneaker on the stage, but when it comes to the smoking, you guys were not accepting that. So he very beautifully conveyed his message. There wasn't any joke, there wasn't any quotation, there wasn't any question. So what I was telling to you guys, that it should not be about, there is no one perfect solution, one perfect method, and that is why it is an art. If you can start it with a song, if you can start it with a dance, if you can start it with a performance, then go for that. A good speaker, there is a suggestion for him. He should not speak for more than 25 minutes. But just as you know, this session is for 2 hours.
I was just about to say this then it means that you are not a good speaker. Because the attention span of human beings is
Exactly. And even in those 25 minutes, there is a suggestion that he should crack at least 2 jokes. People will judge you in first 7 seconds of your presentation. And once you have created your impression in the mind, it would be very difficult for you to change after that. For example, now raise your hands if you actually believe. I don't know why is it always so easy for me. Okay, so wait a second. Listen, raise your hands if you actually believe that public speaking is difficult. Now, I want you guys to do another childish activity, okay? Not this one. Okay, hold your papers, please, and the pen on your other hand. Hold your paper.
Thank you.
Paper in your left hand, pen in your right hand. Now put that paper on your head. Put the paper on your head. No, you would have to open it, and you also have to write it down something. Maybe draw something. You might remove your cap. Okay. Now, keep the paper like this, and you have to draw something that I'm going to draw on the board. Keep the paper on your head. Okay. Now, draw a circle. Keep it on your head. Make 2 eyes, 1 nose, 1 smiley. Do it right now.
Once.
2 ears. Don't look at it. Just keep drawing. 1 neck. There should be a shoulder, and 2 arms, and then a body.
You are all artists.
That is it. Now have a look on what you have drawn.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Face is amazing.
This is a human being.
It seems like a penguin.
So you all can see that.
Mine is so transparent.
Very good.
Visible.
Now again, keep it on your front. Keep it on your front. Draw again. A circle, 2 eyes, 1 nose, lips, ears, neck, shoulder, arms. Draw it again. Is it done?
Yeah.
Which one is better? First one or the second one? The purpose is, जिस चीज को सर पे सवार करोगे, कभी Public speaking is not difficult. सर पे सवार किया हुआ है.
Like these are the messages we are constantly giving to our brain. That this is going to happen. All these things.
All these things. You got my point.
Yeah.
Yeah.